Yes, he's a silly dog. He's a silly dog. What's he doing? He just keeps... Yeah, let's get him. Let's get him. What's he doing over there? Yes. Yes, he's just a funny dog. He was in the back seat. He had to go to the hospital. Yes. Hi, Daddy. Yeah. Look at this dog. We're home. Yay. We're home. We're home.
Silly doggy.